show you how easy it is to make a balloon arc. I got this pack of balloons. It comes with ribbon, it comes with sticky dots, and it comes with a special line to hold balloons, and I'll show you later how to use it. Additionally, I have this pump to blow them up because there's quite a bit of balloons, and we did use the whole pack for this arc. And we started, obviously I had to blow them up, all of them, and then tied them in pairs like this, and then had to do them in fours to make it easier. This is the line. Basically, you just push the end of the balloon through this little hole, and it holds pretty well. And once I had all the balloons on this line, it was super easy to attach it to my frame. And those little stickers right here, they were pretty handy when you need to have certain balloons in certain places. They're pretty easy to use and pretty handy. This is beautiful and I love it. Super easy.